Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore on how to list multiple items on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account and you can choose the type of account you wanted to open. It could be personal or business. Just provide your full legal name, email, password. And by clicking the create account button, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Or to simplify the process, you can just click on continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. And once you have done that, now once you are logged in, just hover to the selling preferences from here. Now on the left side of your dashboard, click on the selling preferences. Now from here, to set preferences for multi-quantity listings, you'll always see exactly how many items are left on your listings. But again, it's up to you whether you let buyers see the exact numbers. Now, when you are already here, you just scroll down to the multi-quantity listings and select the toggle right here. Beside buyers can see exactly how many items are left, just click on it, right? And also, again, have the options that the buyers can see exactly how many items are left. Click on it. And you can also change the managing who can buy from you. Just click on edit here. Because as we all know, each listings can have 5 variation details and up to 50 values for each of those, all right? Now you need to describe the features of the item that are standard across all of the items. And most of the categories here are set up for eBay listings variations, and you can create and manage your variations through the advanced listing tool or seller hub. All right. Now, there are specific situations that they cannot, or some users have reported that they cannot access the option for multi-quantity listings on the selling preferences. And if that's the case in your end, you might want to click on help and contact. Now from here, you might want to click on the multi-quantity listings and listings with variations, because these are the helpful guidelines on where you can create multiple identical listings within the same item. All right, and again, you have the option to do that in the sellers hub or in your my eBay. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.